Hey Magnolia friends, today we're going to make our own sandwich. I think we'll make peanut butter and jelly. I like peanut butter and jelly. You're going to need some peanut butter and some jelly. Today I have a berry harvest jelly and some bread. You'll need your plastic knife so you can be safe. And you might want a spoon to get your jelly out. Today I'm going to put the peanut butter on first. I'm going to hold the jar with one hand. I'm going to use my other hand to scoop out the peanut butter with my knife. Then you can hold your bread, put your knife up against the bread, and spread it along. I need more. Hold your jar. Get your peanut butter out. Hold your bread carefully and spread it across. I like a lot of peanut butter. Maybe we'll put a little bit more. Spread it across. You want it to cover the whole bread. You don't want to take a bite and have no peanut butter. There we go. There's our peanut butter side. Now it's time for the jelly. It's easy to scoop out jelly if you use a spoon. Hold your jar. Put your jelly on your bread. Now you can use your knife again. You're going to spread it all over your bread. Hold your bread and make sure you cover all the bread. Maybe we need a little more jelly. Use your spoon. Hold your bread. Spread the jelly all over the bread. You don't want to take a bite and have no jelly. Now, you're going to take your jelly side, put it on top of your peanut butter side, and you have a whole sandwich. If you'd like to, you could cut it. Remember to hold carefully, keep your fingers out of the way, and cut back and forth, back and forth. Keep your fingers out of the way and go back and forth. Now you have your own peanut butter and jelly sandwich.